Hey up guys, welcome to Dawn Cooking Scale. And what I'm gonna do today, guys, I'm gonna do a spicy curry chicken foot. And guys, these are clean, they're ready and washed. I'll leave some to show you guys what you need to do, because one time I see somebody cook it with the nails on. And you need to cut these off. So I'll be showing you guys, this is my cutting board, so you'll be cutting the nails off. Those are washed already, so I just leave those that you can see, guys. So I'll be dropping it in that, and I have to make sure I go fast. Don't want to cut my finger off, so I have to be careful, guys. So I do most of it just for video reason, because I don't want it to go over a certain time. And I come and post it, as I already told you guys. I need to can make sure. So guys, those are already washed. So I just leave these three to show you guys what I do to get the nails off. Yes, guys? So let me dry my hands. Got my hands a bit wet. Get my rings off. You can't see me at the moment, but I'm over this side. Right, guys, and because I'm videoing myself, I can't do both. So right, guys, so in here I have some chicken foot, so I'll be seasoning it up, guys. You do it just like when you're gonna do any type of curry. So there is one sprig of spring onion. I have to keep mentioning because it's more than one people would be watching it. It's not only Jamaican would be watching it. So, and this is one onions, yeah, chopped. And in here I have some seasoning salt, and that's a teaspoon. So I'll sprinkle that in. I have a teaspoon of seasoning, chicken seasoning, not seasoning oil, chicken seasoning. So there's a teaspoon here. Yeah, so I'll sprinkle that in, guys. And then I have some thyme, and I will, oh my goodness, sometimes it's so tight. I'll be using dry thyme today. And so I'll be sprinkling about a bit more. Yeah, a teaspoon. Some black pepper. Yeah, a teaspoon of black pepper as well. Sprinkle that in. Oh my goodness, the pepper gonna make me sneeze. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Oh dear. Right, guys, I have the Maggie seasoning all-purpose seasoning, so I'll be sprinkling that in as well. Very, very quick. And guys, I'll be adding the proper garlic in there today. I'm not using the garlic powder. I'll be using the proper garlic. I don't want to keep repeating myself, because sometimes I do watch my video and I hear that I keep repeating myself. Right, so what I do, I smash those garlic up. And then I like to cook with garlic, so this is about, these are small ones, so let's use it and smash it up. And then get the skin off, and then add it to the chicken foot. Yes, guys, so if I hurry up, and then goodness gracious. Right, and here, guys, I have a pepper, and you need only put some pepper in. I'll cut in, and I don't want it to be too hot, but I've cut about 3 slices of the pepper in there. And then I'll be adding some curry powder. Yeah. So I put about a teaspoon and a half. And because what happened, I'm going to add some when I'm going to start cooking it. And then I'll be adding a bit of salt. So as I tell you guys, do not, because some of most of the seasoning, the powder seasonings have salt in there. And so I'll be adding about half a teaspoon of salt, yeah? And what I do, I'm going to cook it, put it on straight away, because chicken foot take a while. And so, you know, while it's there cooking, it will take the seasoning in that it's cooking into. No, so I'm gonna rub this in, guys. Rub this in. Make sure you rub it in nicely. Oops. So guys, I'm gonna give you a story. Don't hit something until you tried it. You know, my late husband, he would never try chicken foot. And so guys, I couldn't cook it. But one time we went to Jamaica and we was having something out there. I was doing up my dad's grave. And so the guys out there said, we're gonna do some soup. And so they went and buy a good amount of chicken foot to make the soup. And after they made this big pot of soup, and my late husband tasted it. From that, he liked chicken foot soup. So guys, I know some of you guys are gonna say, ooh. But guys, until you try something, don't hit it. I say, oh, yeah. I know some guys, some of you guys would never hit it. But yes, it's really nice. And so if you cook it the right way, put all the nice seasoning in there. Make sure it's seasoned properly. And I'm washing my hands, guys. You won't be disappointed. Yeah, so who want to have a go at it? There will be a lot of people said, no, I don't. Because there are people like, do not like cow foot. Because I have friends there who say they would never eat cow foot. Yeah? So guys, I'll be having about a tablespoon of oil in there. Because it takes a while to cook. So it doesn't cook quick. So if you're going to be in a rush, you have to start it. You take about 200 off because you need to make sure it cook and very soft. So what I'll be having a full, really full teaspoon of curry powder. And I'll be getting my spoon, it's okay, my wooden spoon. And so guys, I had the curry powder in there. Make it burn a bit. The oil is hot, so I don't want it burned. And so guys, I'll be adding, I never normally do, but chicken foot you can do it. I always season my meat and leave it for a while. But this, because chicken foot take a while to cook, and it doesn't have anywhere that it can penetrate the seasoning. You can, oh my goodness, I haven't turned on this. You can do it like this. Yes, guys? My kettle, I did not boil my kettle, I forget. And so I can turn this down a bit. And essentially just keep turning it. I'm using a bit of water, just a bit. And spin in there. And then I'll be adding it in the chicken foot. Because chicken foot is not like meat, so guys, you can do it. Take this out my way, so I'll turn this around in case you guys can see what I'm doing. And make sure it doesn't go over 10 minutes. So guys, I'll be leaving this, and this will take about 2.5 hours to cook. 2 to 2.5. Yeah, it take a while to cook. So if you're gonna do some, you have to, and you're hungry, you can't do it when you're hungry. You have to make sure it cooks properly and soft. Yeah, guys. So we're adding some of that in, and I turn the fire down, and then I'll be covering it, and let it stay there, and then I'll keep checking on it so that I don't want it to burn. And so on, guys. I'll be boiling the kettle with hot water and to add it to it. So guys, I will show you what my spicy curry chicken foot look like. Yes, guys. So see you later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to Dawn Cooking Skill, guys. So guys, this is my spicy curry chicken foot. Guys, look at that. Guys, because of the lighting, I make it have that red looking. It's not that red. It's curry. It's curry looking. So guys, what I did put in there, I put some carrot in there. I did put some tomato in there, cut up the tomato and put it in there as well. And yes, this is the gravy, guys. I did not put no gravy powder in there or any, because guys, chicken foot have a glue to it, so it can make its own gravy. Yes, so you don't have to put anything to thicken it, guys. So guys, this is my chicken foot, and it's in the evening, guys, so it make it have that red look to it. But as I said before, it's a curry looking. It's kind of lean. I'm holding my phone at the moment. It's not on the stick. So guys, if you want to check it out, guys, I know some people would say, oh, I wouldn't eat that. Yuck. But guys, you have people that eat frog legs, snails. You have some country that eat snails, like France. French, they would eat things like that. Nothing wrong with chicken foot, guys. And these are something, as I said to you guys, it take a long time to cook, and as you can see that this is done. It take 2.5 hours to cook. That's the time it take me to cook it. I'm not gonna put it into pressure cooker to cook it. Yeah. So guys, if you want to have a go at it, guys, just watch my video. Check it out and have a go at it, guys. Yeah, I have guys, you can use this to make soup. You can use chicken foot to make lovely soup. You can brown stew it, you can curry it, so whichever you like to, you have to do it just like how you would curry it. You do it the same way. If you watch my video, if you're gonna brown stew it, you do it the same way. Curry, you would do it the same way. Soup, you do it different though. I'll show you how you make chicken foot soup one of these days. Yeah, that will be coming up soon. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video. Yes, and the other thing that I had to it, guys, because it's spicy, curry chicken foot, I put a bit of ginger paste in there. Yeah, so you can get the ginger paste to buy from the Asian shops, maybe the supermarket, but I get mine from the Asian shop. And so you can add some ginger paste to it. Not a lot, about a teaspoon of that. Yeah, so guys, this is what it looked like. I'm moving my video across, yes, and it's still cooking there, but it's finished now, so I'm going to turn off the fire in a minute. Yeah. Yeah, and guys, because of the camera, it make it look like the pan is a very big pan, but it's not that big. It's not big. And yeah, as you can see, guys, there's the carrot in there. Yeah, put it there across. A little lean. Yeah. So take care, guys. Until next time. Bye.